It is very raining outside.
County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County
look at that
in
wind.
north-central Illinois until 4:15 p.m.
Jeez.
3:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Timber Lane or near Belvidere, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail.
Holy crap!
Source: trained weather spotters. At 3:30 p.m. a report of quarter to half-inch hail was reported near Caledonia. Impact: hail damage to...
Here, do you mind if I look out the window on this one? Woo! Oh yeah, it's hailing, isn't it? Jeez. Holy crap.
Garden Prairie, Belvidere, Caledonia, and Love
Wow!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Look at that, dude. Dang!
This is Noaa weather radio station.
Woo!
EAS 57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
See, this is what an actual severe thunderstorm's like.
Holy crap!
When we don't get gapped all the time. How you doing, dog? Damn. Yeah, we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning. I think this qualifies. Let me see what my weather station's reading for wind gusts. It's only reading 14 mile an hour. What's that bull crap? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Man. It's like not even that insanely strong. It's just the wind is making it look way worse. Woof. It's a little windy out there. Jeez.
It's just on break. If you got waves on your driveway, you know it's windy.
Yeah. I know, right? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, there's a little bit of hail. I can hear it. I can hear the hail hitting the window. Dang. Oh, well. You good, dog? Jeez. I bet the hail's just blowing south. Or, I don't think we're actually technically in the hail. It's probably just blowing south because the wind's so strong. Damn! And it's like still going too.
What do you say, getting gas in Wisconsin and spending the car wash?
Well, Braden, the rain dance worked.
What's that?
The rain dance worked. Hey, dog. Go if you're gonna go. Or not. Ooh, that was a big one. These are some big hailstones, dude. Holy crap! Damn. I really should not be this close to the window. But I'm a Midwesterner, so. Duh. It's still going, too. It's been going for a while. Man, that's crazy. I haven't seen a windstorm this bad in a while. Yeah, I know. It's hitting all the windows. I'm at like a 6-minute video right now.
I hope it blows down the fence the new neighbors put up.
Oh, I know, yeah. Idiots.
Oh, fence. I know. And I think they're over Carol's lot.
Yeah, I know. Transformer blew up.
All activity is stopped from it except smoke.
Thank goodness it's not us.
Yeah, we don't ever lose power in storms. We probably just had some actual 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and we still have power.
Fire smoke investigation 2703 Squawk Prairie Road 2703 Squawk Prairie.
Alright, I'm gonna stop filming, but it looks like the hail's about to get worse.
In the area of this address, all